Hello and hello everyone. This time around with Kokovula Kundabaloi on the love binding spells again. Zwanamina. Zwanamina is the topic. I will explain as in what does the word Zwanamina imply? What does it mean? Uzwanamina is an African medicine, Muthi. This Muthi is used when a partner in a relationship wants full control of the other partner. Who uses this Zwanamina? Or do as I say, Muthi? This Muthi has been often used by women who want to fully control their men without anybody interfering. Other parents would use it to control their sons and daughters, that they listen to them over their love partners or anybody else. This is where you find a man or a woman being told what to do in their love affairs. On the other hand, the girl or woman can use Zwanamina to distance the guy from his family, whereas in some few cases, some guys use Zwanamina to distance her woman from the family. What is this Zwanamina? What is the reason why some men would use Zwanamina on their women? Gone are the days when men were the only gender which was financially stable. Now women are very wealthy and they are able to sustain themselves without men, which is why men would then move on to use Zwanamina on women. You may find a man who has a woman who is wealthier than him and would therefore want to use the woman as his financial source. This would mean that the man will use Zwanamina to gain full control of the woman's financials and to detect the woman what to do with her finances. What is the reason why some men would use Zwanamina on their women? Gone are the days when men were the only gender which were financially stable. Now women are very wealthy and they are able to sustain themselves without men, which is why men would then move on to use Zwanamina on women. You may find a man who has a woman who is wealthier than him and would therefore want to use the woman as his financial source. This would mean that the man will use Zwanamina to gain full control of the woman's finances and to dictate to the woman what to do with her finances. Some reasons women use Zwanamina binding on their men. Sometimes some men invite their women to use Zwanamina binding spell on them unaware. This comes when a man does not provide or live to the expectations of a woman, or seem to be doing good things somewhere else than to do this woman good. He promised everything on earth to her, but he does it somewhere else, being quarrelsome, contradictory, and arguesome over matters of no importance, or being abusive or listening to other people than your own woman can cause the woman to use Zwanamina love spell binding on you. Some men use Zwanamina on their women because they would want to stop the women from taking advice from people outside their relationship. What happens when Zwanamina love binding spell is used on you? You will do everything the spellcaster commands you to do without second-guessing their decisions. Unusual respect and obedience towards this person will be evident. Whenever the spellcaster says something, you will jump with great fear and do whatever you are told to do. If a woman casts it on her man, the man would even fear to touch his salary or do any planning of some sort without her. When Zwanamina love binding spell is abused or misused, women of today are heartless. They abuse the power of the spell for their own selfish needs. one would cast Zwanamina spell on someone's husband, a breadwinner and a father of 5, diverting all his attention away from his family, and would end up abandoning his wife and children. This is very bad, and it is abusing of the spell, using it for all the wrong reasons. Is Zwanamina love binding an attack to the one used on? It goes in 2 ways. It is not an attack when it is used by a love partner, because that is a symbol that this person wants to be with this partner forever, and he or she needs to be understood and loved. It becomes an attack when one is abusing the binding by abusing the partner who has been bonded by Zwanamina. Its bad side is that it is done without the will of the person bonded, and this person won't see that they have been bonded by the spell. It is only people around them who will worry about him or her, but the person whom the spell has been cast on will be enjoying every moment of it, calling it love and understanding each other. It also looks bad when this has been done by the parents to keep their children home with them, listening to them, only because it is nature that one has to grow and gain independence and find a partner and build a family of his or her own. Now, you might find that in some families, the guy or girl will remain home with his or her parents for a long time because of this Zwanamina binding. Why do some parents bind their children with Zwanamina binding spell? They will have taken a child to school and paid some money and put some hopes on him that he is the one who is going to change the family lives for a very good change in the family. So they become jealous that their child is developing and taking care of some people out there. This happens mostly with some black African families. You find it as well in some Indian families. Where else is Zwanamina used other than in relationships? Sometimes it can be used at different workplaces where you find colleagues wanting to have some influence than the others, or simply wanting better posts than the others. Zwanamina Muthi can also be used by employers in order for them to be obeyed by their employees and have all their decisions agreed on. Some company leaders use Zwanamina because they believe that it is the only way that the company will progress. Use Zwanamina when it is really necessary. It is advisable not to use Zwanamina on people you may not need later in the future, because this would only mean that this person would be in captivity forever. Use Zwanamina only when you have true need of it. Kokovula, your great Sangoma Inyanga, spiritualist, herbalist, traditional healer, a cultural guru, a shaman, a sanusi, me. Please like, subscribe, make comments and share these videos, for the world need this knowledge. I thank you.